Hello everybody, how are you today? I wish you are very well. Today, inshallah, I'm going to answer the activities listed in our workbook on page number 61. So let's start. خلينا نبلش. Now, number one, say the words with ild and ilt. Circle the odd one out. Write this word, okay? هلا يا مس احنا بدنا in this exercise you have to circle the odd word out, okay? الكلمة اللي فيها different sound, then you have to circle it and you have to write the word in the blank. So number one, we have child, we have quilt, and we have shield. Then the different sound is what? Quilt, or the odd one is quilt. So you have to circle it, then you have to write it here. Number two, we have shield, we have field, and we have adult. Okay, so the odd one or the odd word is what? Is then adult. So you have to circle it and then you have to write it here. So we have adult. Okay. Okay. Now number three, we have here field, and we have adult and belt. So the odd one is field. So you have to circle it. You have to circle it and you have to write it here. So we have field. Okay, now let's go to the last one. We have belt, we have quilt, and we have child. So the odd one here is what? Is child. Okay, and you have to write the word here. So child. Child. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 2. خلينا نروح يا مس exercise number 2. Complete the words. كمل الكلمات with ild or ilt and then write true or false. Okay, now you have to complete the words here and then you have to write if the sentence is true or false based on this picture. واحنا لازم نحكي ان هاي الجملة صحيحة او مش صحيحة بالاعتماد على هاي الصورة. So number one, خلينا نبلش يا مس ب number 1. Okay. Now there's a child in the bedroom. Then true. This is a child and he's in the bedroom, so this is a true sentence. Number 2, there's a belt on the chair. So belt, you have to write it, okay? Belt. So then you have to write belt. There's a belt on the chair. Then is the belt on the chair? No. So the belt is on the table. So it's false sentence. You have to write here what? If false. Then you have to write if اللي هي false. Okay. Now number 3. There's a quilt. LT. You have to complete the word with LT. Then there's a quilt on the bed. Then there's a quilt on the bed. Then true. شو رح نكتب؟ True. Okay. Number 4, there's a shield on the door. في عنا يا مس shield. Then with the LD. So shield. So there's a shield on the door. No, false, because the shield is on the wall. So you have to write here if. You have to write if, which is false, okay? Now let's go to there are some cows in the field, LD. So you have to write LD. So there are some cows in the field. False, because there are sheep, okay? So you have to write if. False. Now, number 6, there's an adult in the bedroom. Adult. So you have to end the word with LT. إذا شو راح تكون false because there's a child in the bedroom. So you have to write here what if. لازم تكتب هون يا miss if. You have to write if. Okay. Now write exercise number 3. Write. Now we have field, quilt, adult, and child. A child and adult are standing in a field. So you have to write here what field you have to write field. The adults, the adults got ish, got a quilt, a quilt. The child got a shield, then a shield. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for listening and goodbye.